Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about Yummy. Token Yummy. It is a project who wants to stop the world hunger and rescue the world. But the investors, they are just looking into their wallet and see an empty pocket, an empty wallet, you know. And I make this video just that some people wake up and look on this project again with better eyes and more deeply inside. We have here the website. Now they changed the website. It looks now more serious. Before it was more like a meme token, and it's okay. I mean, if you want to do this kind of things, you don't know where the way is going, right? Is it successful or not? But if I see how much money was going on here, yeah, we have a volume over 26 million, and then it goes from one day to another on 9 million. And you can see this also on KuCoin. Here even we see a trade volume around 52 million, right? And then from one day to another, we have here a big loss of investors, right? Here you can see 11 million, and then boom, 3.8. And right now we have volume, yeah. I mean, they say here it's a 934,000 still Yummy worth the holders. But we all know it was more worth, and I just want to ask why this all happened, right? I mean, look, we look here on YouTube, and the day it was announced, Jake Paul, he was so happy, and it looks like he was not even himself. But he wanted to rescue the world, right? He shout out.
I need all fucking 15,000 of you guys.
Yeah.
To fucking push this shit.
Yeah, to need some money, right?
Retweet that shit. Huddle to the fucking moon.
Have to pay your bills, Jakey.
I have a message for you. We're not fucking selling. We're not fucking selling.
So he say why people are selling. Yeah, I want to ask you, who are really selling this, guys? And yeah, it promotes a little bit here and there, but then you don't see anything more. If I look here, upload date, there's not much coming anymore from him. Jake Paul thinks Yummy Coin is going to be the next big thing. Yes, maybe he got some money from that out. I don't know, Jake Paul, but if you make here some kind of commercial for these guys, and I don't know, I mean, if I want to stop the world hunger, I will show what I have done until now. But there's nothing to show, right? I mean, 2 months. What you are doing 2 months? You have your stuff, you have your business. I understand everything like this. But if you do this kind of projects or make a commercial for it or whatever, you stand behind this project somehow, right? And you have somehow also a little bit response for this kind of project, right? So if the community of Yummy hates me now, it's okay for me, because I just want to show what is going on also in the crypto scene. And I mean, 90%, you can say, of all tokens, most of them go into the toilet, or they are scams, or they just need some money, right? And one side is good that government looks more and more on this kind of projects. Other side, the one who are truly and want to really change something on the planet, they get, you know what I mean. So, and this is not fair. So I speak to you, Jake Paul, Have you the balls and stand behind this project and say, okay, I'm doing what I said. I make commercial with my name. I say people buy this, right? So please stand behind that and make what you say and show people what you have already done. I mean, just some posts, we have done this and that. That's not enough, right? That's not enough. And if you donate some money to here and there, then show it that way that people believe. I mean, we have the social media right now, right? Everyone can see everything at any time on any place. We don't have to hide anything anymore, right? If we want to be transparent. But if we not want to be transparent and just use our names to maybe make some additional millions because I need a new Lamborghini or whatever. I mean, they are nice cars, but please not this kind of way, okay? Not this kind of way. And if I will write now, Yummy is the next 1000x or 100x, you know what? I don't know. And I don't think anymore it will be. But you have the rights to write down into the comments what you think about that. Okay? Don't forget, yeah, it's a YouTube filter, so if you blame me or whatever, your comment will be deleted automatically. You can have a constructive meaning and tell me what you think about Yummy. If you have some new informations, I will make a new video for you guys. But if you don't have anything new, I think it's time to say game over, right? So I wish you guys all the best, big profits on the crypto market, and please subscribe me, leave me a like. I can make more about tokens, real videos. I mean, real talk videos, not that just commercial videos, and show you the real world of crypto, right? And I hope you subscribe, leave me a like. Again, I say that, and wish you a nice day until maybe we expose some new black fishes into the sea. Bye bye.